Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is NAJWA IZZATI binti KAMALUDIN and my matric number is CE180026. So as you can see, this is my house plan, and in the living room, there are one switch that will turn on and off these two ceiling LED light, and the other switch will turn on and off these two ceiling LED light. So in bedroom number 1, there is two ceiling lamp. So one switch will turn on this light and the other switch will turn on this light. In bedroom number 2, there is one switch that will turn on this light. So this is the hall, and in the hall there is one switch will turn on the light in the hall. So in the bathroom, one switch will turn on this light and the other switch will turn on this light. So for bedroom number 3, one switch will turn on this light, and in the kitchen there are two ceiling lamp. One switch will turn on this lamp and the other switch will turn on this lamp. And lastly, in the bathroom, the switch will turn on this lamp. And there are no two-way switch in my house. That's all from me. Thank you. Greetings, doctor. So this is the switch for the light. Okay, so now this is the switch for the fan, and the fan is turned on. Now I'm turning off the fan, and this is the light for bedtime. Okay, and I'm turning off the light, and now I'm turning off this light. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is UZAIR SOOMRO, AE matric number AE190001. Okay, for my house, for home plan, that in my house there's no any two-way switch. So, but there is a switch which control three mounted light in the living room with one switch, and which is at here. So it connects three mounted lights. These three mounted lights, as shown in the video before, in the lab 1. I've shown in there's three mounted light that's being connected in the living room. So it is as for the wiring diagram of the three lights or one switch is as follows. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for my house plan, this is my for the living room. I have these three are working and these two are working. Okay, this one is for garage. Okay, if I open this one, the garage light will be open. So when I off, this is off. When I open the switch, the light will open. Okay, for second, this lamp will, this switch will open the the triple lights, that one light, that lights. Okay, if I switch on this one, it will on the fan. The fan is on. Okay, if I switch this open, the pendant floor light will be open. Okay, that's the light. Okay, this I off first the light. It is for the then I switch off again the light. Okay, there's one more house plan light here. There's a triple light, but two are not working, one is working. So if I open this one, it will on only one light, but because the other two are broken. And for this switch, it cannot work because there's no any connection with it. And that's all for my living room, UZAIR SOOMRO, for my house plan. Thank you.
Greeting to our lecturer, Dr. Ahmad Fateh bin Mohammad Noor, the next Wong Chong, matric number A190387. Today I'm going to present for the house plan for the ground floor. So first we enter from the front door, the garage. We have one ceiling lamp here, one ceiling LED light. Enter living room, 4 ceiling LED light and one ceiling fan. The switch is over here, will stay over here. And enter storeroom, we have one ceiling lamp over here, switch is over here. Dining room, one ceiling lamp over here, one wall fan, and one ceiling lamp in the bedroom. The switch is over here. The kitchen, one wall fan here, and one ceiling lamp here, and one ceiling lamp outside. This is over here. So we enter to the first floor. Once there, the one ceiling lamp here, one wall lamp here. The switch is over here, and we enter first bedroom. One ceiling lamp here, one ceiling fan here. Switch is over here. Enter the second bedroom. The one ceiling lamp here, one ceiling fan here. The switch is over here. The upstairs living room with one ceiling lamp, one ceiling fan. The switch is over here. And toilet, we have one ceiling lamp. The switch is outside here. So in the third bedroom, we have one ceiling lamp here, one wall fan here. The switch is here.
My name is Wong Chong, so I am now showing the two-way switch for this wall lamp at the stair area. So we have the switch. This one is for ceiling lamp, and this one is for this wall lamp. So we close here and close the ceiling lamp. We go downstairs. So this is the switch for the wall lamp. The wall lamp is on.
A very good day to doctor. My name is Wong Chun Xiang's mattress number AE180 and 103. And I will present the house plan of my house. And this is the ground floor. It's the same with the lab one. And I just add one switch at here. That is a two-way switch that controls the stair. Next is the first floor. First floor, the two-way switch that controls the lamp at the stair areas. It's controlled by here, the ground floor and the first floor. So the other is the lamp and the fans. And this is the legend. The ceiling lamp, ceiling fan, wall lamp, switch door, and the ceiling lamp. This is a using bulb. Next is the wire diagram for one-off lamp controlled by two unique two-way switches. This is the ceiling lamp that at the stair areas. One is the ground floor and the first floor. That's the switch. And you can see this is off condition because it is not connected. It's not connected. So when one of the switches is on, it will light up the ceiling lamp. So this will control the ceiling lamp to on or off by using two switches. So that's all for me. Thank you. This part, I will show the two-way switch to control the stair areas lamp. So this is the switches for the stair area lamp, and it's on now. And next we go to the level 1, the first floor. First I open the other line for better views, and next we test the two-way switch. We close it, and you can see the lamp is closed and not on, and now it's on. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So I will continue with question 5.1. Discuss the purpose of continuity test wiring installation. Continuity test is the checking of an electric circuit to see whether it has current flow. It is an important test in troubleshooting of any circuit. Basically, it is used to determine the wire connection inside the circuit. Field is good or brown, conductors are open or shorted, switches are operating properly, and circuit parts are clear. The current placed by circuit or conductor tracing. During a continuity test, a digital multimeter sends a small current through the circuit, measure the resistance in the circuit. The meter with continuity people briefly sound off when it detects a closed circuit. The level of resistance need to trigger the people varies by meter, but most will indicate continuity with a measurement between 0 to 50 ohms.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is UZAIR, metric number AE190001. Okay, I'll be doing the question for the 2, which is the discuss the polarity test in wiring installation. Okay, this polarity test creates a circuit using the phase conductor and the single pole device in question. Breaking the circuit when operating this device means the reading on the instrument will change, and thus confirming that the device must be connected in the phase conductor. And the importance of this polarity test is to make sure all single pole like switch, circuit breakers and fuses are aligned only in the phase conductor. This is verify the all the switches installed in the system are connected in current carrying conductor and not in neutral. Like for example, if we isolate or switch the neutral of circuit via single pole circuit breaker switch, it will appear that a circuit is dead where in fact it is still live. So if polarity test is not correctly determined, there may be a risk of electric shock during the maintenance procedure, because it may due to also from the electrician that may connect the wire differently, or because we cannot really trust the electrician that make the wiring. So this polarity testing can be done using polarity testing methods, which are as follows, which is the polarity test through visual inspection, where every once in a week they're doing the visual inspection. Polarity through second is polarity through continuity testing, and the third is live testing of polarity. That's all for me. Thank you.